About this item, Ultralight 70D Cordura Nylon D is a unit of measurement used to describe the thickness of individual fibers or filaments in a fabric. In fact, higher D fabrics are usually thicker and heavier than lower denier fabrics. 70D nylon is heavier and more durable than 30D nylon. But BAGAIL 30D uses the Cordura fabric has nylon 66. Nylon 66 is high strength and durable. It is ideal for use in products that require toughness. Means BAGAIL 30D is the lightest and most durable fabric. Durable and high strength. Although the fabric we selected is lightweight, but also durable enough. Special structure of the Cordura fabric makes it has superior wear resistance, tear resistance, and high strength, so they can withstand long time use. They're great for when you want to minimize weight and save space within your carry-on, suitcase or backpack. Convenient and multifunctional. Classifying and organizing your belongings for your travel will become easy with these lightweight packing organizers. You can choose different size and color set for different use purposes. Space saving. Save up to 50% space by compressing the packing cubes via the exterior compression zippers. And all the zippers we use are SBS zippers, which is smooth and durable. It makes sure the packing organizers could be opened and closed easily. 6 set include 1XL 17.5x 12.6